I specialized in acne because that's where I came from. I knew how they felt. My name is Rodeen Palmer. I live on Marco Island, Florida. I am the Director of Education and Product Development for Aesthetic Science. I was inspired to get into the beauty industry because I had very bad cystic acne, and I was very curious about what I could do to make it better. I attended the London Academy of Beauty, and I've been in the beauty industry for almost 50 years. Naomi Cauger, who is the founder of Aesthetic Science, we have been friends since 1974, and she developed the Epiwave Ultrasonic machine. It's for any skin type, any skin condition. We have written and researched protocols on all of our treatment for all skin types, and the results speak for themselves. We follow up with complete training on the machine and all kinds of continuing support. We're very active on training, education, to make sure they're constantly going forward with their business and they're not left alone. The perfect client is any client that wants to see an improvement. And whatever your skin concern is, we can take care of all of that. We have the machine, the product, and the caring, and the education, and the information, and the home care, and the protocols, and all of it in one wonderful envelope.